So I have already created my layer. It's 1920 by 1080 pixels and filled it with the white color. So now the first thing to do is to go to Image, Guides, New Guide by percent. So we're going to add guides. The direction is horizontal, the position is 50%, and then press OK. And now we're going to add another guide. Go to Image, Guides, New Guide by percent, and then this time change the direction to vertical. The position is still 50%, and then press OK. And now select the rectangle selection tool. So here are settings I'm using. So now I'm going to make a rectangle. So I think I'm going to make it this size here. And now create a new layer. Click on this icon. Fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to fill this selection here on the transparent layer with black. So here it is. And now let's remove the selection. Go to Select None. And now go to Layer. Crop Layers to Content. And now let's select the Alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image. And now just align it horizontally so it is centered. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer, the line layer, duplicate it. Select the Move tool. And now hold the Control key and then move it down. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now duplicate this layer again, this one here. Duplicate it. Go to View. And then check the Snap to Equidistance. So now when we move down our layer here, it will be the same distance here between the first one, between this one and this one. So now select the Move tool, hold the Control key and then move this layer down. So as you can see, it snaps, it is the same distance. So now I'm going to merge these three layers here. Click on this icon here to merge down the first time, and then the second time click. Now I'm going to duplicate this lines layer, duplicate it. Select the rotation tool. Now move this circle here of the rotation to the center where the guides cross. And now change the angle to 120 and then press enter. So here it is. And now click on rotate. And now I'm going to duplicate this one here. So let's select the Move tool. This layer here, the original one, duplicate it. I'm going to place it on top. The duplicated one, and then select the rotation tool again. And now just as before, move the rotation here, circle here in the middle like this. And this time the angle is -20, 120. Now type minus and then 120 and then press enter. So here it is. And now click on rotate. And now let's select the paths tool. Press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. So now we're going to make a path here. So from here to here, and then go all the way here, and then here, 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 and then close it. So now I'm going to left click. You can still, for example, if you press the plus key on the keyboard to zoom in, if you want to be really precise, you can still drag some guides here. So for example, this one here, and then cross it like this. So for me, I'm just going to use this one here. The others, I'm going to just eyeball them. To select the Path tool, left click. So now Control Z to undo. Now I'm going to left click. So here it is. Now I'm going to add another path here. Now make sure it is in the middle where the lines cross. Now I will go all the way here, add the path, sorry. And now let's go all the way here and then go down here like this. Now you can still adjust the paths here. Just select the last path to continue your path. So now let's select this one, select it, and now left click here. So here's our path, and now we just need to close it with the first path. So hold the Control key and then left click on the first one. So here it is. Now I'm going to fix this one a little bit. And now once you're finished, press enter. So here's our selection. So now let's create a new layer. Click on this icon, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. And now I'm just going to fill it with the gradient. So let's select press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. So now I'm going to change the gradient, left click on the gradient, let's change it to FG to BG RGB. So I'm going to use the black and white colors. So now I'm going to start with black from here and then white here, so here it is. So we can change the colors later, and now press enter. And now go to select none. So now I'm going to duplicate this triangle shape here, this one here, duplicate it. Select the rotation tool, and now let's change the angle to 120 and then press enter. So here it is, and now click on rotate. And now I'm just going to fix it here, so just select the move tool, press the plus key, and now I'm going to move it. So hold the control key to move it on a straight line. So this is the first one, and now I'm going to rotate this one here. So let's select the rotation tool, and now I'm going to change the angle to 120 just as before, press enter. So I'm just going to exit, make sure to duplicate it, duplicate this layer, duplicate it, and now left click, make sure to select the rotation tool, and now change the angle to 120 and then press enter. So here it is, and now click on rotate. And now I'm just going to fix this one here. So let's select the move tool. So now I'm going to remove the guides here. The lines, I'm sorry, this one here, these lines here. So now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. So now I'm going to move down these three layers here. So select the first one, hold the shift key. And then select this layer here, this one here, and now select the move tool. And now I'm going to move them down. And now let's select the third one, this third layer we just created. And now let's select the move tool, and now let's adjust it. So I'm going to change the background color. So left click. So I'm going to change to this blue so we can see our triangle. So here it is. Now let's remove the guides. Go to image, guides, remove all guides. And now select the move tool, and now select the layer, this one here. And now I'm just going to adjust it. Now let's select this one here. So press the plus on your keyboard to zoom out. So now you just need to use the move tool to adjust the triangles. So now we're going to start to remove some of the parts here. So for example, let's select this one here. Select it. So here it is. Right click on it, alpha to selection. And now we're going to select this part here. So this one here, it's the third one, select it. And now I'm going to delete this part here and this part. So let's select the eraser, increase the size, and now let's delete this part here. So reduce the spacing here, it's too much. And now let's go to select none. I'm going to remove this part, so here it is. And now I'm going to remove this part. It's this one here. So let's select this layer, this part here. Right click on it, alpha to selection. Select the layer, this one here that is overpassing this part here. And now as you can see, we made our selection, and now I'm going to remove this part. So here it is, and now go to select none. And now press the minus on your keyboard to zoom out. And now I'm going to hide the background layer, select the top layer, right click, new from visible.